Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Prabhu, you told like this switching between emotions and sticking to one emotion. So, like, if this personality can be changed, because this is basically with the identification of that personality having this emotion.
Yeah.
So, by practice, this can be changed, or it is by birth, whatever by nature's mode one has got this. It can be changed by practice of yoga.
By practice of yoga, it is possible. Because yoga is about delinking, getting detached from matter. So, simply nothing. You chant Hare Krishna 16 rounds nicely. You will be able to see all these things, your own emotions. Your ability to be self-aware of your emotion increases. Brahman means a platform of consciousness which is above matter. So the more and more your soul gets Brahmanized, it's already Brahman, but it is covered. So it gets Brahmanized by touching the Supreme Brahman, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Slowly, just like you see, coconut, when it dries, the copra will separate. In the same way, when you heat your system with Hare Krishna Mahamantra, nice hearing, the copra is like the soul. It will separate from this bodily identification. Slowly it will separate. When you separate, you are able to see everything. Just like you see his problems differently than your own problems. My own problem, I am stuck in seeing my own problems. When I see somebody's problem, very easily I analyze and everything. Why? Because I am only intellectually going there. When it is my problem, intellectually, emotionally I am involved. I cannot do that. But when you are Brahmanized, you are seeing intellect, emotion, everything not you, this body not you. It's a yantra, and you are seeing you are able to see your yantra, and what is favorable for devotion service you accept, what is not favorable you reject. This management is nothing but accepting and rejecting. So self-management you can do, depends where you are situated. If you are situated in Brahman, you can do spiritual self-management.